Today we're going to be unboxing the Beetlejuice bag clips. I want any of them except the Beetlejuice with the red suit and the hand. Which ones do you want?
I want the sandworm and the oi. I'm really fine with all of them except the swim pants.
Okay.
I don't want those.
Let's hope we don't get the shrimp hand.
Yeah, that looks disgusting. Okay. I didn't get to open mine yet. It's scanned this is QR code right here.
Chewy stuff. Here we go, I opened it.
How? Can you help me?
Oh, I got the Beetlejuice the red suit.
That was exactly that you don't want.
Let me help Huey. Open Huey's, and we will trade if we get different ones that the other person wanted.
Imagine you have the sandworm.
Ooh, can we trade Huey? Let's just one with the red suit.
No.
Please! It's the same thing. He did end up trading with me after more persuasive. So,